Hello everyone. First of all, good day and hope you are doing good. So today I'll be taking you through a small tour of what the FAMTree desktop version of the app can do for you. So right now we are looking at the dashboard of the platform. So the dashboard gives you a view of the complete status of your dairy farm. So as you can see, so this is just for information, a demo data, and it's a demo farm that we have created to showcase here. So the billable cattles in this farm is 18 out of the 20 that the farmer has taken, and these are the expected events that are expected in the farm, which is like there are two animals which are expected to come in heat. You can see here, once I clicked here, I came in down to animal number 38 and 51. Their expected heat date is near the event. So this dashboard gives you a view of the overall farm. Here you can see the conception rate of the farm, the pregnancy rate, and what are the financials also. So the dashboard gives you a one in all view, and here you also can see some other financials that are available in related to your farm, like the per liter cost of milk, the cost to produce 1 liter of milk. Here you can see the average milking per day that your farm generates. If you look on the left hand side, there are many features that you can go through it. So moving, I'll showcase some of the features so that you have an understanding of what we sort of features the app has. So this is a kettle board. You can check out all the details about your animals here in this section of the app. So here you can see tag number 31. You can find the different details that this animal has, starting from breeding details, like this animal got on heat on 23rd April and was inseminated on 23rd April, which was an artificial insemination. Then you can also check other, like on which housing this is present, the vaccination and treatment, the diet plans for this animal, what are the weights, what's the milking graph like for this animal. Again, on the left hand side you can see that there are others. Moving down to the farm management, you can see housing. So how many houses are there in the farm? When we say housing, the number of pans. You can also check the milk records. I mean, milk records come in different types. So if you want to take a lactation report or a per day report, so example, cattle wise per day, I clicked. So the farmer has not put in here anything. Let me check in a month wise. So you see, this farmer has been using the overall farm milking data is available. If you see, so this is the milking data of the farm, and then there is also a graphical representation. Moving on to reports, so there are different type of breed reports one can see depending on the data that has been filled up. Like this is the heat report of the farmer, and then there is insemination, then there is a summary report overall to top it. So different features here. And then there is a farm level report that we also give, like the semen report of the farm, the cattle status. There is also a health report that we can access to, a different type of vaccination, deworming treatment. Overall, then there is a sales and expense, the amount of milk that we have sold versus the amount that we have invested in our farm, the expenses that have occurred. Also, if you see on the left hand side top, there's a feed management. I had skipped it earlier, but you can check out what is the feeding ratio going on and what is the feed that is being fed. So this gives a overall picture of how farm tree helps you in managing your farm, and what are the data sets that are available, and we can go through it, and how you can capture the data and how it is represented here. So